Hey everybody, it's Charlie from HotTipsCentral.com, and you just got iOS 5, right? No? You didn't? Well, you should have, because it just came out today. And we've been getting a lot of questions about it, and so we're just going to cover the things that are kind of being questioned to us most in regards to notifications as well as iMessage. So let's get started. First thing on the list is iMessage. A few questions we've been asked is it free? Will it work for other phones? And do they have to be running iOS 5? But the answers to these are pretty simple. To the first one, yes, it is absolutely free. It will not cost you a dime to do any iMessages. The second question is, it does not work to other phones. The party that you are trying to communicate with needs to also be running an iPhone, an iPod Touch, or an iPad. It doesn't work to a BlackBerry or an Android device or anything on Windows Mobile. It has to be an iOS-driven device. The third part is that it has to be iOS 5. So you cannot text message to anyone who is not running iOS 5 and have it be a free iMessage. Now, you can text to them, of course, but it will not count as a free iMessage, and you will be able to see the difference. Here's a sample. So I'm going to send Andy a message that says, "Hey dude, what's up?" Notice that as he starts typing on the other end, before I've even received anything, I can tell he's typing. It's just like a normal IM client. He says he's watching TV with his son. Nice. Notice how when I send the message, it tells me that the message has been delivered. Then, when he reads it, I get to see that he read it. I'm showing off iMessage. And this is all happening inside the text messaging application, messages.app. That pretty much takes care of my demonstration, but there's a few things about iMessage I think I should probably point out to you. For one, messages can be left on one device and picked up on another. They are working completely together through Apple's new iCloud service so that you can have your text messages all on all of your devices, so that, let's say you're texting with your iPhone and then all of a sudden you put your phone down, you go someplace else, you have your iPad there, and you want to reply. You can reply with the iPad and the conversation can just keep right on going. So all your iDevices are working together with iMessage. And that also brings into account group messaging as well. So group messages are possible. So you can have multiple people within the same message thread, much like you do with any group messaging on an IM client or on Facebook messages or anything like that. iMessage also supports all types of different kinds of messaging. So you can not only just send text, but you're able to send photos, videos, you can send your location as well as contacts to other people on other iOS devices. So it's not just text messaging, it's MMS plus messaging. Now let's turn our attention to the new notifications features in iOS 5. For starters, notifications have been completely redone. They're no longer annoying and they're no longer demanding your attention. Instead, now they are subtle and they come in at the top of your screen and you can choose to ignore them if you like. If at any point in time you ignore it, you can always get back to it with a new notification center. But if you do want to see something more about it, or it sounds like something interesting, like a text message from a friend or something that got left for you on Facebook, just tap on it and you'll be right back into where you need to go. So I just got a brand new text message and I haven't responded to it yet. It'll be located in my notification center. To see the message, I'll just go ahead and pull down the notification center from the status bar. And you can see the new text message is right there. To respond to it, I can just go ahead and tap it. And it will take me directly to the Messages app where I can read it. So there you have it. That's a quick rundown on iOS 5 for the iMessages feature, as well as the new notifications. If you'd like to learn more about your device, you can visit us at hottipscentral.com or check out the complete rundown on all the features that come with the new iOS 5 at apple.com/iOS. Take care, guys.